Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about string methods in Java. In our last class, we clearly discussed about how to define strings and string constants. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, we are going to discuss few of the methods which we are going to use many of the times. There are a lot more methods available in string class other than these methods. So coming to the string methods, the first method that is available is charAt of, character at which position the character is there. So that is what it is going to identify using charAt of method. So with example you are going to understand better what's charAt method means. String s1 is equal to Java. You consider the string as Java. So char output is equal to s1 dot, s1 is the string object, s1 dot charAt of method. You are calling that method, and if in the method you have to mention the position. So Java 0th position, J means 0th position, A means first position, V means second position, A means third position. So at that first position, whatever the character that present at that position, that character you are going to get it as an output. So System.out.println of, if you display the output, you are going to get A. Means the index position is 1. At one position we are having a character A. It is going to come as output. So that's why our output is A. Now coming to the exactly opposite for this is indexOf. You mention the character, it is going to give you the index position. What is the charAt method is going to do? If you mention the index, it is going to get the character. indexOf is exactly opposite. You mention the character, it is going to give you the index. That is what the indexOf method says. String s1 is equal to Java is top. System.out.println of, we are creating a s1 dot indexOf. S1 is the string object, indexOf is the method. For that we are passing the character A. But A is available multiple positions. In multiple, we are having multiple A's. Which one it is going to get? The first occurrence of the A. At what index the first occurrence of A occurred? J, A. J is 0th position, A is first position. Our output will be 1. So V, second A is at the position, third position. It is not going to get. The first occurrence of A is going to get. So not only this method indexOf sending the character, one more method overloading concept is also available here. One more indexOf method is there with change of s1 dot indexOf A comma 2. This second 2 states that the starting index from where you have to search the index. Means from second position onwards, this is 0th position, first position, second position. From V onwards, check for A. That is what the starting index says. So indexOf you have to search for A, but you have to start from second position. That is what this method says. So what is the output you are going to get? At third position we are having A. So Java is top. So A is available at third position. That is the output. Now coming to that, not only characters, you can mention the strings also. Whether you mention the string is available or not. If it is available, what is the starting index? From which position it is available? That is what it is going to give. The position, the starting index. Java is top. Search for is. This is a string. Is started from 0th position, first position, second position, third position, fourth position. Is started from 5th position. Your output should be 5. So if the whatever you asked here is, you asked for A, if it is available, it is going to give you the position. If it is not available, you are going to get -1 as the output. So it is going to return -1. Now coming to the next method, compare to method. It is going to compare the given two strings. String s1 is equal to Java, string s2 is equal to Java. But the comparison is completely based on a lexicographic order, means dictionary order. If Java, both are same, it is going to return s1 dot on string object s1 dot compare to of, you have to mention s2. So it is going to compare s1 and s2. If both are same, it is going to return 0. if S1 is less when compared to S2, in the dictionary order, if it is less when compared to S2, it is going to return -1. If it is greater than S2, S1 is greater than S2, it is going to return 1. So the outputs, three outputs you are going to get is 0, 1, -1. 0 means equal, 1 means S1 is greater, -1 means S1 is small. That's the output you are going to get using compare to method. Now coming to the same method, compare to ignore case. Suppose if you take this example, first Java, write it as capital J AVA. So in this method, compare to method, capital J and small j is considered as a different characters. If you write it as ignore case of, if you use this method, it will consider both as same. Capital J, small j is considered as same j. So that is how it is going to, this method is going to be used. For that, we are not giving example for this, you can use it above. Now coming to the concat function. Concat means concatenation of two strings. You can combine these two strings. String S1 is equal to Java, string S2 is equal to Java, System.out.println of S1.concat of S2, concatenation of S2. S1 concatenated with S2. In this means Java. This is the output you are going to get, Java. Now coming to the next one, contains of. Contains is a string method that contains, it is going to check whether the given string contained in the S1 or not. Let's take with example, you are going to get the better understanding. String S1 is equal to Java, System.out.println of S1.contains of AVA. In the string Java, is there the substring AVA available or not? If it is available, it is going to give you true. If it is not available, it is going to give you false. So that is how we use same way ends with. The same way it is going to check at the end of the string. Whatever the output you needed, suppose let's take the example, S1 is equal to Java, so S1 dot ends with of VA. The string Java ends with VA or not, it is going to check. If it is end with VA means it is going to return true. If it is not going to end with VA means it is returning false. Now coming to the next one, equals of. It is going to check two strings. If two strings are equal, it is going to return true, otherwise it is going to return false. Similarly, the next one is empty of. It is going to check the given string is empty string or not, means nothing is there. Empty string is not. S1 is equal, string S1 is equal to Java. This is not empty string. String S2 is equal to empty string, nothing is there. If it is empty, S1 dot is empty of, it is going to return false. S2 dot is empty of, it is going to return true, because S2 is an empty string. So that's why our output is false true. Now next one is length of, is a method which is going to identify the length of the string. So S1 is equal to Java, what is the length of this string? 4. S2 is equal to empty string, what is the length of this? 0. So our output is 4, 0. Now coming to the next one, replace of. You can replace the characters. Whatever the characters you need to replace, you can use this replace method. String S1 is equal to Java. In place of A, I need to place it as O. So S1 dot replace of A, O. First you have to mention what character you have to replace, and second you have to mention what character you have to find in the string. That is what mentioned in the first character, and second character is with that character what character you have to replace. The second character shows the replacing character. So in place of A, O is placed. So our output is JO. Now coming to the next one, substring of. Substring of is a method which is going to identify the substring. So you are going, if you give the index, it is going to get the substring of that index positions. Means S1, string S1 is equal to Java is top, System.out.println of S1 dot substring of 5. This 5 is the index position. 0th position, first position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position starts from I, is top. From there onwards, end of the string. is considered as a substring. It is going to be returned. Means our output is top. So we can use it for other way also. If you take it as substring of starting position, ending position. But remember in our last class example also, it is going to consider the starting position, but it is not going to consider the ending position. Means Java is top. What is the fifth position? I. Sixth position, seventh position is empty space. Eighth position is T. Eighth position is not considered. 5, 6, 7 positions are only considered. So the character that present in eighth position is not considered. Last index is not it is not going to consider the position of last index. So 5 to 7 is space. Our output is space. Space is not visible here. So that's why it's not visible. Now coming to the next one is to lowercase of, to uppercase of. You can convert our characters into lowercase and uppercase using this method, to lowercase and to uppercase. So if you consider this, S1 is equal to Java is top. So Java, J is capital letter, T is capital letter. If you consider it as S1 dot to lowercase of, it is going to convert into Java is top. All the characters are converted to lowercase. If you use that uppercase, Java is top. So our output is Java is top. Now coming to the next one, trim off. Trim off is going to remove the extra empty spaces that present in the starting and ending of the string. String S1 is equal to empty spaces, Java is top, empty spaces. What are the leading and trailing empty spaces will be removed. System.out.println of S1.trim off. It is going to remove the empty spaces. Starting and ending spaces will be removed. So our output is Java is top. Java is top is going to be created. Now coming to the last one, to character array of. You can convert the given string to character array. So how to use that? String S1 is equal to Java is top, char array of characters is equal to S1 dot to char array of. If you consider this S1 dot to char array of, it is going to, whatever the string Java is top is going to be placed in an array of characters. Means the first character is placed in 0th position, second character is placed in first position, second position, third position, like that. If you display the system.out.println of A of 0, 0th position, what's the element, what's the character that present in 0th position? J. It is going to display J. So this is how, these are the methods which we are going to use regularly. So these are the methods you should know. Hope you understand these methods. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.